Good afternoon, gents. It's not every day we can work straight out of our van to what we're doing. It's right there. So today's call, if it goes pretty smooth, is going to be a simple compressor. So, I did not diagnose this compressor. This job was sent to me by our dispatch, and gotta go through all these leaves here. And here it is. Look at that. That's great. Van's right here. I'm right here. So we're about to get some tunes going. It's out the sun. Oh, there we go. Boy, it's humid out here. We got our recovery machine going. Recover whatever's in here. Data tag doesn't say anything, just says it's 404 with 0 pounds, or it doesn't specify. So, once we recover it, I'll see how much refrigerant's in this tank. Put that back in. And, yeah, you know what? We'll go with virgin refrigerant, man. Screw it. We'll go with virgin refrigerant. Alright, so we're pulling into a vacuum now. That didn't take, what, maybe 10-15 minutes? So, still down here. And so that didn't take long at all. Meanwhile, I was able to unscrew this right here from those bolts right here. See right there on the side, there's one, there's another. Gonna move that out the way. You can access the suction line, the discharge line. One you got to be careful, it's got oil in it. You know what? Let me get a bigger tip. I think I'm running out of acetylene here. Got some in the truck, but so we got a compressor sitting in there right now. Still haven't hooked anything up, and connected our our filter dryer. So we're ready to burn this baby in. This is even stupid proof. Right here. This is the high SAR discharge tube. So right here. Let's see if we got any pressure in it. Yep. There she goes. Alright, so this is my high side. And of course, this always happens. You can never get one with the same damn tubing size. We brazed in a new access port there for the low pressure switch. We already brazed in the compressor pretty much. I already put some nitrogen in it, so we're at about 160. So about 160. What I'm gonna do right now is leave it under a pressure test, take all this stuff, put it away, then we'll start a vacuum. But always remember to use, this is Big Blue in a regular bottle, I guess. My Big Blue bottle broke. So let's see if we don't find any bubbles here. The system is under pressure. Nothing there. So over here. Sorry guys, my first time filming with the iPhone, so I'm still trying to get the hang of it. This bottle sucks. Too bad my big blue one broke. There's no leaks there. Sorry about that, guys. There's my discharge. There's my suction line. Okay, junks. I don't know if this has happened to you, but this is my little vacuum kit. It's my Appions. I came in my truck looking for vacuum pump oil. I didn't have any vacuum pump oil. I came to my truck looking for my, what is that, Blue Vac? My Blue Vac micron gauge. And my Blue Vac micron gauge, I seem to have lost it. So please do not make fun of my vacuum setup right now. So we're running single true blue from the 1/2-inch port of the field piece pump down here to the suction line. Remove the Schrader core. And forgive me, but I'm running this hose because this micron gauge has these 2 male ports, but my Blue Vac has the brass coupling or adapter, and I lost my micron gauge and my adapter, so now I got to use my backup. And I know that this hose is permeable, blah blah blah, not a good vacuum, blah blah blah. Put some Nylog in here, some Nylog on here, Nylog this cap, and we're just gonna see how good we do today. Pretty shitty situation. All right, guys, so that video you just saw was cut short because I was called away to a different job site, and another tech finished that compressor change out. But in order for this video not to end so abruptly, see if we can give you guys a van tour. So this van is brand new. I got it with about 38 miles on it. And I don't even know where my keys are. So I still have to do a lot of adjusting, a lot of tweaking, make sure I like this van, or make sure it works for me. So there it is. My torches. I took this off of the Ford Transit I was in. I couldn't leave it out there, so I put it on there, put my torches underneath. Got my refrigerants right here, nitrogen tank, 100 feet of hose, 50 feet of hose, oxygen, acetylene. Got all my Team Red stuff right there. Team Red. Got some extensions, rope, oil pump, straps, stuff like that. I still haven't fully settled in this van. I've got it just about where I need it. There's my bandsaw. Her name's Jenna Jameson. Chews through pipe like it's cool. MAP gas torch. And let's come in here. All this refrigerant is extra refrigerant. You can see I got another 2 jugs of 404 inside. Need to get rid of that stuff. Got all my contactors, capacitors, 208 contactors. These are all my switches, fan delays, defrost termination, all that good stuff. This is all my TXVs, power heads, valves. What is that? That's another ball valve. Got a check valve. So this is all my refrigerant stuff. These are all my fans I keep in stock. Got a lot of little watt fans and some of these guys. I haven't used any of this in the 2 months I've been at this company, so let's see when we use it. Leak detector. This is all just a bunch of extra tools that I don't carry in my bags. My vacuum kit, got my Appion hoses and all that good stuff in there. My True Blue kit. I got all my dryers, core dryers. Was acid test. Got a beacon board. Got a EEV. Got a bunch of stuff in there. Time clock. A bunch of A19s. Single pole, double pole. I got the Mr. 45, VP 85. I got some, finally got some vacuum pump oil, coil cleaner, some POE oil back there, pump sprayer, sub cooler, Vito spring giveaway, which I have yet to load up. There's my MB2 for, that's what I use for air conditioning calls. That's my Tech Pack MC that I use for rack calls, refrigeration, all that good stuff. That's pretty much it, man. Got my recovery tank, some more refrigerant up here, and just a quick little van tour. Only thing I don't like about this van is it doesn't have a overhead rack right here for my 6-footer. So my 6-footer is just kind of rolling in somewhere on the floor for now till I figure out where to put it. I do got a really nice rack for my 28-footer up there. So, oh, here's my keys right here. Let's go ahead and see how many miles I've put in this thing in the last like 3 days. So I got this van with about 38 miles on it. But I put about 300 miles on it in the last couple of days. So I like the fact that it comes with a power fucking AC adapter there. So I got my there she is. I still need to figure out where I'm gonna put this guy. Wondering if I can set it up just right here. Charge on the go, or maybe put it somewhere in the back, out of sight, out of mind. People are crazy out here. So yeah. Oh, look at this. I forgot I bought these. What's this? Spin switch for HVAC. So I'll put those away here soon. But anyways, that's it, gents. Like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of the van so that a compressor video doesn't end up too abruptly as it did. That's it. Just gotta put my cart in, my main bag. That tote's going back to the shop, and that ladder's gonna go somewhere in there. Gentlemen, as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.